Hey there, this is Adventures with Dr. Joe. Many of us have purchased an Oura Ring to monitor our restfulness, sleep, our readiness for the day. It checks our oxygenation, our percentage of oxygenation, heart rate, other things. And it comes with a single charger. But when we travel, or if we have a secondary place that we stay at or own, whatever, it'd be nice to have a secondary charger, and I purchased one and I'd like to share that with you. By the way, I'll put the link to this one in the video description, and it was the best value because I have a big ring. I have a size 14, but your size is going to depend on, well, your anatomy. So this is the Oura Ring charger that came with my Oura Ring. And it fits right just like that, and it works very, very well. Now, this is the replacement one, and when I plug it in, I'm going to plug it in. This one's hot. It comes with a cord, of course, USB-C, and when I plug it in, it indicates that it's on. Okay, so I'm taking my Oura Ring off, and we'll just rotate it till it just drops in to its correct position. There it is. And it identifies that it's turned on, and basically it'll turn blue when it's charging and turn green when it's fully charged. I'm going to disconnect this. The replacement one that I'm talking about today does come with a USB-C cord on both ends. When you plug it in, it just tells you, yes, it's working. And then I'm taking my ring and transferring it. It's the same setup, the same exact indentations and nubs that the Oura Ring has. But a couple things you need to do again, when you select this, select the correct size, but also the correct generation. The back of this charger gives you the size but not the generation. So mine was a Gen 4, so when you purchase one, get a Gen 4, or whatever your generation is, Gen 3, get a Gen 3, and then get the correct size. When it's blue, here, see it, charging, and then when it's fully charged, it'll turn green. This is a quality product. I like it very much. I got a good price on eBay, and there'll be a link in the video description. Take a look. It wasn't available from many places at my size, but all of a sudden it just became available kind of universally. So size 14 you can get even a size 15. So anyway, I like it very much. I think it's a good value. It's going to go with me in my travel kit. So if you found this useful with the secondary charger for the Oura Ring, and it comes in all the sizes that the Oura Ring comes in, but two things: be sure you get the right size and the right generation. This is a Gen 4. We need a Gen 4 charger. If you have a Gen 3, get a Gen 3 charger, etc. So you need the correct generation and the correct size, and you'll get one of these that really works quite well. If this was helpful, thumbs up please. Consider subscribing. Thank you.